Welcome to Gaurav Sharma Productions, where we bring you the epitome of fashion and style. Today, we take you behind the scenes of our exquisite elegance fashion photo shoot. Get ready to be immersed in a world of beauty, elegance, and glamour. Our team, led by the talented Gaurav Sharma, has meticulously crafted every detail to ensure an unforgettable experience. From the stunning location to the breathtaking outfits, this photo shoot promises to be a visual treat. As our models gracefully move through poses, they embody the essence of sophistication and class. Each garment has been carefully chosen to showcase the perfect blend of trendy designs and timeless elegance. The atmosphere is electric, filled with the clicking of cameras and the buzz of creativity. Our team of skilled photographers, hairstylists, and makeup artists work tirelessly to capture the essence of each ensemble. Every shot is a masterpiece in itself, capturing the beauty and allure of our models. But it's not just about the costumes, it's about the story with every picture. Each frame narrates a tale of luxury, desire, and inspiration. Behind every shot lies a dream and a vision brought to life. Whether it's a flowing gown or a sharply tailored suit, every garment is meticulously designed to enhance the inner radiance of our models. The result is a collection that represents the epitome of fashion forwardness and sophistication. As the day progresses, we witness the transformation of our models into powerful and captivating individuals. Seamlessly blending passion, creativity, and style, Gaurav Sharma Productions once again unveils a fashion extravaganza that exceeds all expectations. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey into the world of fashion and beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Stay tuned for our upcoming collections and be a part of the Gaurav Sharma Productions experience.